Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Mercury Plaid error. So let's start with the first step, which is identify the Plaid error. So log into Mercury on the web and open integrations. So from here, you will see a red error banner and unable to connect to your bank via Plaid. So this usually means that expired credentials, a lapsed token, or a bank side security prompt. Next is disconnect the broken account. So go to settings, tap on connected accounts, and then find the account showing the error and click disconnect. So this clears the stale Plaid token so you can start a fresh connection without conflicts. Next is reconnect via Plaid. So click add external account, then tap on connect via Plaid, and in the Plaid link pop-up, search for bank or pick it from the popular list like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citi, and etc. So next is log in and approve. So enter your bank's online banking username and password in the Plaid login screen, and then from here complete any 2FA prompt your bank sends. So complete any 2FA prompt. So Plaid uses bank level encryption, so Mercury never sees your credentials. Next is verify the connection. Now once linked, Mercury shows connected via Plaid with a green check mark, so your balances and transactions will sync within a few minutes. So the Plaid error is gone for good. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!